हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी क्लास 10th की सीरीज़ में आज हम देखेंगे स्प्रेडशीट्स एनालाइजिंग डेटा इन एमएस एक्सेल. In this, first we will see consolidation of data. Consolidating data means to combine data from various sources into one place. For example, marks in all the examination in a particular year. Suppose we have marks of different examination in two sheets. Here I am making an Excel sheet in which we are taking marks of some student on a particular sheet, and we will have the marks of the same students in another examination in the same year. जब भी आपको दो शीट से या मोर देन टू शीट से डेटा को वन प्लेस पे कंबाइन करना होता है, then we use the consolidation data option. Now we have similar students data in another examination on another sheet. एक और दूसरी शीट पे हम इन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स के डेटा को कंबाइन कर रहे हैं. Now what we have to do, we have examination data on two sheets. Sheet 1 that we can rename as PT1 or class test, and on sheet 2 you can have it as a half yearly examination. On third sheet we want data from both of the sheet that we are renaming as consolidated. So what we will do to get data or to calculate data from both of the sheets, on this sheet also we will take name, subject and marks. We want marks of maths only in two different examination on the third sheet. So first we will copy here the name and subject only, that is maths. Now what we have to do, we have to combine data from both of the sheets. हमें दोनों sheets के marks को एक जगह calculate करना है. So we will use the data tab and consolidate data option. Here you can see in the dialog box, you will see some of the functions. Like in first one box you can see there is written some function and many other function are given. So we will select here average. We want the average of both the examination at one place. In the reference box below it there is a reference option. So we will click there, and what we have to do now, here we will give the reference of both the mark range. दोनों शीट से जो हमने मार्क्स एंटर किए हैं उनकी रेंज को हम कॉपी करेंगे इन द रेफरेंस टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. सो वी विल select the first sheet, that is the half yearly examination you can say, or PT examination. We will select this range and you can see the range has been selected into the reference option. Now we will select another sheet and we will select the range of marks. Again we have to click add button after selecting the range. So you can see we have taken data from both the sheet by selecting its reference and by clicking on add. और जैसे ही आप ओके पे क्लिक करते हैं, you can see the average of both the examination marks has been calculated on the third sheet. We can write a separate formula also so that we can check it whether our result is right or not. So I will write the average. You will completely write average 78,66 and then you can have the value 72 as we have got in the consolidated option also. So you can see that when you have the data on more than two sheets or two sheets, so you can consolidate them into one sheet. That is called consolidation of data.